easy intermediate. Shut up, chicken! It's a dance I taught in digital dance weekend too. It was around this time me and Guillaume choreographed this dance in March, and I first taught in Texas. And then the pandemic lockdown started, and I started teaching it online. So I have a pretty good response about this. So I'm going to teach this after a year at the same platform virtually. So I hope you enjoy this teach, and one day I have to dance next to all of you. So let's go. Batam. Ooh, I love Batam. We should go Batam again. Okay, Batam is in Indonesia, everybody. So let's go. We're going to start with part A. Alright, part A. You're going to start with your right foot rocking to the right side on 1. Recover your weight on 2. Behind side cross, traveling to your left on 3 and 4. Alright? Repeat the step. Woohoo! Rock your left. Recover. Behind side cross. There you go. First 8. Ready? One more time. From the top. Rock your right to the side. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Everybody okay? So I want you to play with your phone at the same time learning from me. If you're okay, put up an emoji of a yellow heart. Yellow love. You know, the love shape. So you're going to scroll and look for the yellow heart shape. Lina from Hong Kong. Lina Choi. Are you the one who choreographed Mojito? Hi Laura. And you're here. Okay. Part A. First 8. Ready? Side rock. 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weights on the left. We're going to go with section 2. Step your right forward on 1. You're going to make a half turn to your left shoulders, and you're going to kick your left forward at the same time. And you're going to walk your left on 3, walk your right on 4. Good? One more time. I see a yellow heart shape. Yay! Let's try that one more time. So you finish with behind side cross, left weight forward. Step right on 1, half turn with a kick. 2, walk 3, walk 4. Repeat the step. Step left forward, half turn to your right shoulder and kick your right on 6, walk 7, walk 8. Good. Let's try that one more time. Pivot kick, walk, walk, 7, go. Pivot with the kick, walk, walk. Pivot with the kick, now walk, walk. So you end up with your weights on your left. From the top, 7, go. Rock 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6. Pivot with the kick on 1. Kick 2. Walk, walk. 5. Kick 6, 7, 8. Weights on the left. Everybody okay? Let's see. I only see one yellow heart shape. Hi Jennifer. Katie from Jakarta. Woo! So we're going to move on. Or section 3, after the pivot kick, walk, walk, weights on the left. You're going to weave to your right. Step 1 behind, 2, step 3, flick, 4. Repeat to the left. Left, behind, step, flick. Alright, one more time. 7, go. Side, behind, side, whoop. Side, behind, side, whoop. Okay? We have the arms that is cross, open, flick, cross, open, flick. It goes like this. Cross, open, flick, cross, open, flick. Alright? That is when you do the weave traveling to the right. Okay. We're going to try that one more time from the pivot and the kick. 7, go. Pivot with the kick on 3, 4. Pivot with the kick on 7, weave to the right on 1, 2, 3, whoop. 5, 6, 7, whoop. So you have 3, 8 down. Yay! Hi Yuli. Yay, yay, yay. So We're gonna move on from the top till the third 8, and we're gonna move on, continue from there for the last 8 counts. Ready? 5 from the top of the dance. 7, 8 side rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Pivot turn. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now weave. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your weight is on the left, so you're gonna step right forward, rock it forward, recover back left, rock it right, and touch on left next to right. Let's try that one more time. 7 after the flick. 7 rock, right, back, right, touch. So that part you can do the 2-2 hip. 2-2, or roll the boat, roll the hip, forward and back. All right. I like to call it roll the boat. So you're gonna rock your right forward after the flick. Rock on 1, 2, 3. Touch it left on 4. Now you're gonna step left back with the heel on your right and 5. Recover back on and 6. Okay? But when you do and 6, you're gonna step it down. No more touch. So it's gonna and heel and together. Like a little stomp there, so you won't move your weights. One more time. Let's do the rock. 7 rock on 1, 2, 3. Touch 4 and heel and together. Alright, when you do together, you're going to do the chicken wings, hands and back. You're going to flap twice. Why do I sound like a cat? Sound like a chicken. So what you do is, rock your hip forward on 1, 2, 3, touch 4, and 5, and 6. So you go inwards. Sounds so bad. Alright. Okay, yes. Hi Margaret, hope you're doing well. Hi Elaine Cook. Long time no see, late. So that is part A. Give me a big clap. So let's try one more time. Part A. And then we're gonna go with part B. 5, 6, 7, side rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7. Pivot turn with the 1 kick. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kick 6, 7. With 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Rock your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Part A. You alright? You okay? If you're okay, find an emoji of the chicken. The little chip, yellow color, in the eggshell. And comment that. Means you are okay. Alright. Hi Polly. Yeah, sounds like that. Me too. I can't make funny sounds. Margaret, maybe you can be my voiceover. Margaret Lily from Indonesia. So I'm going to move on to part B. I think someone found the chicken. No. Someone give me thumbs up. Emoji, next emoji to look for. The eggshell with the chip on top. Means you're okay. I know everybody is scrolling at emoji side. So alright, now part B. Very easy. Only 16 count. Yay! Good job, and so what you do is after you do the chick, then you're gonna jump, and 1. Okay, some is just step out. Okay, you have like the harder versions, more funky, or you can just step your right out to the side. 1, then roll your body. 2, 3, 4. You can just hip roll, upper roll. It's up to you. Shower roll. Take the towel, rub your back. Alright, so you have 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat to the left. And 5, 6, 7, 8. That is without jump. So if you jump, you're gonna go jump out, shake, shake, shake. Jump left, shake, shake, shake. The jump is like a little ball step. Ball step, shake, shake, shake. Alright? Next 8 count. You're gonna ball step left next to right, stepping right forward. So you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 3 heel tap, turning half turn to your left. 2, 3, 4. So you're facing backward. Same thing, you're going to do ball step. Step your left back, together, step right forward. Do 3 heel tap, turning another half back to the front. Turning left. 6, 7, 8. Alright, that is part B. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's do the chicken shake. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shake. 2, 3, 4, and shake. 6, ball step, and 4, and 1. Bounce, 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 and boom. Bounce, bounce, bounce. That's part B. Okay? Everyone okay? Hi, Guillaume. Actually, I bring Guillaume with me. Guillaume is always here. Wrong press. Guillaume is so busy now. Hi, Katie. Yay, everyone found the chicken. Alright. I'm very bad on making a chicken sound. I might sound like that. Okay, let's go. Now we're going to try part A. So the first phrase is A, B, and then we have a little tag. Alright, let's do A and B. A side rock. 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Pivot turn kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whip to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Rock your head forward. 1, 2, touch it, and heel together. Woo, woo, jump, jump. This is your B. Jump, jump. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the part B and part B. Now you have a tap. You're going to step your right out to the side. At the same time, you're going to bump your hip to the side, to the back, left, to, and bring it to the front. So it's more like a little heel bounce. Tap, tap with the heel bounce. At the same time, you move your hip around. The counts go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. They only have 4 count tag. 4 counts. Okay? But when you do the heel bounce, it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And roll the hip. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you go on with the jump again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Ball step. And heel bounce. And heel bounce. Alright, that is your first phrasing. How is everybody doing? Good? Easy? I have write the phrase above of this video as a caption. So you can just go back and see the phrasing. But for now, that's all you need. We have another tag. We call it tag 2. It's also 4 counts. Okay, that tag 2 is the last 4 counts of part A, actually. Okay, yes, chicken means okay. Su is alright. Su is from Malaysia. Now we're gonna continue. So that's your first phrasing. Now, A, B, tag B. That is tag 1. The hip bump is tag 1. Now we're gonna try second phrasing. That is A 16 count, tag 2. Alright, let's try A 16 count. 7, 8, rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Pivot turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rock. 1, 2, 3. Touch 4 and 5 and 6. Boop, boop. Rock. 2 8. Remember, this is 16 count. 5, 6, 7. Pivot turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you finish with your left weight forward. Now the tag 2 is very easy. You're going to walk your right forward. Step your right forward, sorry. Step your right forward. 1. Left step next to it. 2. then you do the chicken wing. Boop, boop. 3, 4. And then you go with the B. Good. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody okay? Good, no good, good, no good. I think it's supposed to be alright for everyone. Once you hear the music, you sort of know. So the music of part B is ding ding, ring ding 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 ding, ring ding 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 ding, ring ding ding ding, then when always the singing coming is part A. And then when you do this is shut up chicken. That is your tag 2. Good? The hip mount is the bam 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 bam. No, it's not supposed to be bam bam bam. It's supposed to be dun 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 dun. Okay, sounds so different. It's fine, you listen to the song. Hello Lee. Lee and the Lee. Yay. Alright. I'm trying to change the time so I don't take over Gregory time. So everybody okay? We're going to try with music twice. Okay, you're going to try with music twice. So the phrasing is like this. A, B, tag, B. So we did earlier. Then you have A16, tag 2. B, tag B. B, tag B. It's always B. After one B, you have a tag, the hip bump. Then you have B again. Then the last phrasing is sort of like a repeat. A16 count, tag 2. Tag 2, walk, 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 walk. Then jump. Okay, always after tag 2 is B. Then the last one is actually 2B, 2B. So you don't have the hip bump tag. After the 2B, you have a walk, 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 walk. There's your ending pose. Alright. Hi Christine, hi Ego, hi everybody. So I'm going to play music twice. At least get the dance twice. And then I will throw it to Gary. I think he's getting ready behind the camera for his lesson. Support him. Ready? Shut up, chicken. The intro is, there is some move. You can watch it from YouTube, or you can just listen to the lyrics and you know what to do. Basically, you can follow with me. Let's try twice. Try. So here you have the little thing.
Drinks to the left, drinks to the right. I fall for a girl, I fall for a guy. I like to go in, I like to go out. When I get up, you better
go side rock, left rock, even turn, kick, breathe, rock it, chicken, then chicken, ball set, hip bump tag 1. What's that? Hey, side rock.
lick those lips.
Deep touch.
I like chicks with eggs, man. I love all that
Breathe.
shit. I don't wanna have to choose. I wanna share it with you.
16 count. Hey. Keep it turn. Go. 1, 2. Ball set. Hip bump. Ball set, left forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2 8s.
You know I love them chicks, but I don't
Keep
mind some
it turn.
eggs. Gonna give you a good licking. Give me the mama of the
Breathe. Rock it.
when I get up.
Side rock. 16 count. Heart rate. Keep it turn. Tag 2, walk off.
I fall for a
Walk,
guy.
walk. 1, 2. Woo! I hope everybody is alright. So many chicken face, chicken emoji. Yes, I like it. Now I'm gonna do one more time. How is everybody feeling? Good? Woo! So I'm gonna do one more time. I'm gonna turn the music louder. After this, I will just pass it to Gregory. Remember to catch Gregory. And for those who are taking a coffee break and anything to come back to watch Gregory, thank you very much for joining me. And I hope to see you all very, very soon. Let's try one last time. Shut up, chicken.
Drinks to the left, drinks to the right. I fall for a girl, and I fall for a guy. I like to go in, I like to go out. When I get up, you better go down. Believe in me, baby, believe in me. I'm falling for everything. Don't go to sleep, no, I won't let you leave. No need to speak. Shut up, chicken. Lick those lips, move those hips. I like chicks with hips, man. I love all that shit. I don't wanna have to choose. I wanna share a bed with you. Say you love me, you tell me, believe in me. Shut up, chicken. You know I love them chicks, but I don't mind some eggs. Gonna give you a good egg. Give me the mama of this chicken. When I get up, you better go down, Shut up, chicken. Drinks to the left, drinks to the right. I fall for a girl, and I fall for a guy. Drinks to the left, drinks to the right. I fall for a girl, I fall for a guy. Shut up, chicken.
Thank you, Diana. Diana is teaching later. Tomorrow or later, sort of mistaking. So I know some of you have been asking about fried chicken. My chicken's here. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my class. And remember, stay on this page. Diary is coming up next. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe. Be kind to each another. And my love to all of you. And thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.